Alright, so this table contains the SI prefix multipliers, or I like to call them the metric conversion factors, that you need to familiarize yourself with. And keep in your mind, always, right, this is something really useful that you need to know in just about any area of science or medicine. It's just something you got to be familiar with. So what this table's telling us, right, I could have any type of a base. Right, I could have grams, right, liters, right, I could have meters, be anything, amperes, whatever you want. Right, and so if I am in some unit of exa amperes, for instance, let's say I have 10 exa amperes, right, and I want to convert that to straight amps. Right, this is a conversion factor right here. That tells me right away that these 10 exa amperes is equal to what? 1 times 10 to the 18th amperes. Okay? So any one of these, for instance, units of milliliters, say I have 1 milliliter. Well, that's equal to 1 to the minus 3 liters. So let's try applying this to some problem. Let's convert, let's make something up. Let's convert 2.35 times 10 to the 15th picoliters to units of, how about, kiloliters. All right. Now the steps we need to go, all right, if we're going to be using those different conversions, and there's different ways. There's ways to do this in one step. Remember, what I'm showing you is a two-step process. You need to first convert picoliters to liters, all right? Then you can go liters to kiloliters. All right? This is where this conversion chart comes in handy for us. All right, first thing I see is pico. I need to remember that that has a base of 10 to the minus 12. And so what I know is 1 picoliter is equal to 1 times 10 to the minus 12 liters. All right, what's the other thing that we need to know? Well, there's kiloliters. All right, the kilo factor is 10 to the third. Right, and so what I know is 1 kiloliter is 1 times 10, excuse me, not negative, positive 3 liters. All right, so now we can start our problem. 2.35 times 10 to the 15th picoliters. All right, first step, go picoliters to liters. Use the first conversion factor. 1 times 10 to the minus 12 liters per picoliter. Always use your units. Cancel things out. Right? Don't skip those steps. Right? So we've got, well, this should be big L here. Right? 1 to minus 12 liters per picoliter. Cancel out. Now we can go to kiloliters. All right? 1 kiloliter is 1 times 10 to 3 liters. Liters cancel out. Gives us units of kiloliters. Let's pick up our calculator. We've got 2.35 raised to the 15th. Right. Multiply that by 1 to the minus 12, and then divide by 1 to the third. And lo and behold, look what we get. Pretty nice little number. 2.35. That's it. 2.35 kiloliters. Circle your answer on a test or quiz.